Hey there. So, we have a problem where we want to filter a data.frame based on a dynamic list of filters. The idea is to have different criteria in the filters and combine them in a way that each element is evaluated as an OR, while each item within the filter is evaluated as an INT. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. One approach is to create a data frame using expand.grid for each list of filters. This helps in setting up the conditions for the filtering process. By doing this, we can visualize the combinations of filter values in a structured manner. Moving on with the solution, we leverage the power of dplyr by using inner_join and bind_rows to filter them cars data.frame based on the dynamic filters provided. The goal here is to combine the filter conditions using OR logic and ensure that the resultant data frame contains unique rows that meet any of the specified conditions. Continuing with the solution, we use distinct to retain only unique rows in the final filter data frame. This step ensures that we do not include duplicate rows that satisfy multiple filter conditions. The result is a refined data frame that meets the criteria set by the dynamic list of filters. In summary, by following this approach, we can effectively filter a data.frame based on a dynamic list of filters in a structured and efficient manner. Hope this solution helps you in tackling similar filtering challenges in your data analysis tasks. Remember, subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below